Welcome to this edition of Man Cave Technology. I have my sister here.
Hello.
And we are unboxing this. All right, so I'm so excited about our little unboxing video. Now, Fallout is a game that I really have enjoyed. Fallout 76, I think the jury's still out, but I really love Fallout 4. How about you, Emily?
Oh yeah, Fallout 4 is great.
What do you like about Fallout?
Well, you know, I've spent tons and tons of hours on it. That's probably the cool thing, is that you can spend literally forever doing whatever you want.
Right, yeah, you can just spend hours and hours and hours looking, and there's just so many cool things that are kind of hidden throughout. Now, did you do a lot of your looking in power armor, or did you just do it wandering around in weird clothes?
No, I really like to go around in weird clothes. I know the power armor makes things a lot easier, but you know, I just thought the regular clothes, they look cool.
Okay, well, today is about the power armor because that's what we have, and this is really cool. This is the Fallout 76, I don't even know what the edition it is, but basically, it's got the game, it's got some other goodies, and it's got a helmet, and that's going to be awesome. All right, so first off, it came in this really cool box. It came in a box, and this box was in the box, and I say it's really cool. It actually is like they've glued things to the side of it, but it is cool. It's got cool things on it. This side right here is probably the coolest because it's got the power armor, and you can actually see what's going to be in there. Emily, I'm going to give you the honors since you're kind of our guest.
Right.
If you can figure out how to open it up.
Great.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah, that was easy.
Yes. All right. So here's what we've got inside.
Oh, you
First
got
off,
little army men.
All right.
Power armor suits.
So this
and
is
regular people.
So this says you will emerge, and yeah, what all's in there?
Oh, it's like your classic army man set.
Yeah, except it looks like it's all the Fallout character kind of shenanigans. Oh, okay.
Resealable.
That's fancy. So that keeps
fancy.
you from permanently damaging, you know, the bag. Collector's item here, although
unless you damage it on these staples.
They staple it in, so that could be a little bit of a problem there, but
all right.
You know.
Should we empty it out?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, so we've got a lot of characters. We got a Mr. Handy here. And some of these, I guess, I really don't know what they are because they're going to be Fallout 76 things, which I haven't gotten very far in. This is a very cinematic shot that I'm creating here.
They're all out of the picture.
Mr. Handy's going to come in here, and he's just going to make it happen. So that's pretty cool. And this thing, what is this? Is this the Scorched Beast? And we have
this.
We have a nice metal box. The funny thing is they actually sent this out late. And so because they sent this late and it didn't arrive on launch day, they sent everyone a launch code or an Xbox code or whatever platform you're on. So I actually don't think I need this because I have the code and it's been working. And I think that now I just have a digital download, so.
This is the game box though. This is really cool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. It is pretty sweet. So, all right, you ready for the big thing we're all here for? This is, oh wait, no, we can't. There's something else.
Oh.
This, and I think I know what this is. This, I believe, is a glow-in-the-dark poster of the map.
Oh yeah, that is cool.
So, we'll reveal it to you first.
Whoa.
Whoa. Here we go. Oh, nice. And I can tell it's traced with some glow in the dark. It takes way too much to turn out the lights in here, so we're just gonna trust that this is glow in the dark. This is actually a really nice, why don't you hold that? So this is actually a really nice poster. I'm gonna get this framed, and it says welcome to West Virginia. And I have a friend who is a viewer, Paul, in West Virginia.
Whoa.
So after I explore the wasteland in here, I'll come see it in
real life.
In real life.
IRL.
Yeah, I'll see it in real life where it's not a wasteland. So now the moment we've all been waiting for, we are going to open up the power armor.
Yeah.
I wish it was the whole power armor, but it's the helmet. That's cool enough. All right, Emily, I'm going to let you pull the the styrofoam out.
Okay.
The environmentally friendly packaging is coming out.
There we go.
Oh,
That is pretty legit.
that is pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and grab that out of there.
I feel like it's going to be heavy. It's not near as heavy as I expected. Still cool.
It was a surprise.
Should I put it on my head?
Yeah, let's,
All right.
here, let me put this box down here.
Whoa.
Oh, wow, okay. How does it feel in there?
It feels like I'm in Fallout, you know? It
Yeah.
feels like I'm in a wasteland.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Can you see?
I can see.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
it's not quite like seeing through power armor in the game, but probably more like it would be in real life.
So it's got some styrofoam on it, which,
does.
you know, is not part of the game. But it looks really cool. I think they did a very good job of this. It's obviously not going to hold up in a real nuclear war, but I think that it definitely looks cool. So something's supposed to happen when I press these buttons, but one button is the side button controls LED on and off. Side button controls sound, top, and voice changer.
Whoa.
We've got some light.
Here we go.
So you look pretty scary.
Do I need to pull this down?
No, that's good. It's good where it is. All right,
right.
so now try the voice changer. You got to click one of the sides.
Hello. Whoa. Hi.
Wow, it sounds like probably like a 99-cent toy voice changer,
A little
but
bit.
we'll give them an A for effort.
It slips down my head.
All right, so this is actually really cool. I didn't show you this earlier, but this is a carrying bag, so you can arrive in style. We've got our glow-in-the-dark poster. We have our helmet. We have the action figures. We have the actual game. And we have this cool little You Will Emerge. So Emily, what would you give this like out of 10?
What would I give it out of 10? 12 out of 10.
12 out of
Unbox
10?
again.
Okay, I like it. Well, thank you for joining us for this unboxing video. I'm going to make a video talking about Fallout 76 because I know there's like a lot of people talking about it. But I wanted to show you this. This is pretty cool. This is definitely going to have a cool place in the man cave. And I'm excited about it. And in general, I'm pretty pleased with this. I think this was pretty cool stuff. And I really do enjoy this franchise. So, hey, if you haven't subscribed to Man Cave Technology, if you want to see more cool videos like this, what should they do?
What should they do? Subscribe!
Subscribe and hit that like button because it really means the world to me. So, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Man Cave Technology video.